Good morning. So, before starting our class, मेरे को एक बात बताइए, are you taking precaution about corona? Corona के लिए if we are going out, mama is going out, papa is going out for some urgent work, तो क्या करना है? What they will do? Today I will tell you one more time. Before going out, they should use mask. Wear the mask, not here. They should cover their face. And they should cover their nose also. They should wear the mask like this. And one more thing they can do, they can use the shower cap. Because sometimes कोरोना वायरस की जो जर्म्स होते हैं दिस इट ऑन आवर हियर सो वी कैन यूज द शावर कैप लाइक दिस वी कवर आवर हियर कीप आवर ऑल द कवर्स इनसाइड आवर शावर कैप wear the shower cap like this cover our hair cover our mouth and one more thing more protection for more protection what we can use the gloves. We can wear the gloves because when we go out to purchase the vegetable, to purchase the other things, we touch the things. हम वहां चीजों को छूते हैं और चीजों को छूने से क्या होते हैं? Maybe there are some germs of coronavirus. So we can wear the gloves also. Like this, we can wear the gloves. Okay? Wear the gloves when you are going out. It will protect you from corona. Okay? And one more thing, we can use the sanitizer. There are so many types of sanitizer. This type of sanitizer, this type of sanitizer, any sanitizer you must keep in your pocket. Always one sanitizer we must keep in our पॉकेट हमें अपने पॉकेट में जरूर रखना चाहिए When we touch anything, जब हम कोई भी चीज को टच करते हैं after that we should use sanitizer like this. We should take the 1 or 2 drops of sanitizer and rub our hands very nicely. And when we come back from the market, what we will do? We can wash our hand with the soap. For 20 seconds we should wash. Wash it very nicely. Like this. Up to here, we should wash our hands like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Okay, wash it very nicely. It kills the germs of the corona. Stay at home, be safe, take precautions, tell your parents, tell your mama, tell your papa, your brother, sister and grandparents also. We will start from our A sound. We have completed A sound, O sound and I sound. Today we will start reading from our A sound. See, first of all, we will read this. F at a fat, S at a sat, M at a mat, K at a cat. We will read all these lines. AT line, AD line, AG line, AP line, AN line and AM line. Okay, after that, what we will do? We will read our O sound. Let me take out that page. Wait for a minute. See, our O sound is here. See. T up a top, M up a mop, D up a duck, O X ox, Nod a nod. All the sounds we will read. Op, og, ox, odd, op, off, oi. Okay. After reading this, what you will do? You will do I sound Let me take out that page. Yeah, here. See. You will read this I sound page. Fit, wind, dig, dip, hit, bib. You will read it, in, egg, ape, id and ape sound. You will think, क्या तुम्हें reading का काम दिया? So you will be very happy. But no, we will do some written work also. Let's do that. Kids, now today we will do this work in our book. This is our book. This is our English book. So today we will work in this our book. So यहाँ क्या लिखा है? Complete the crossword puzzle. This is the puzzle. Okay, fine. You see this picture? Which picture is this? This is pen. This is pen. P is written here, N is written here. One letter is missing here. Per, pen. What the which sound gives A? Per, E. Which sound gives P? E, I. So we will write here I. It should be cursive letter. Per, in, pen. Now this word is completed. Now which picture is this? Or which picture is this? This is nib. पेन की क्या होती है? निब. न ई ब. न ई ब. Nib. So we will write here b. N e b nib. Now which picture is this? This is the bib for the small kid, small baby. So already completed this bib b e b. क्यों ऐसे कंप्लीट हुआ? बिकॉज जब हमने निब लिखा न ई ब, निब के लिखते ही यहाँ पे बी लिख दिया. वी हैव रिटन द बी हियर. तो यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी ये एक वर्ड बन गया ब ई ब. नाउ दिस डॉग इज बिट टू दिस बॉय. तो ब ई ट. दिस इज ट. दिस इज नॉट फ. ये देखिए ट written like this in the book and fur written like this in the book. Okay, very carefully see b e t for this picture. B e t bit. Now which picture is this? Which picture is this? This is tin. T e n. No, we have completed this puzzle. P in a pen. This b bib. This n nib. This b a bit. This t in a tin. After that you will take out this page. See what the written here. Write the missing letter for each picture. Means सब पिक्चर्स बनी हुई हैं. देयर आर फ्यू मिसिंग लेटर्स एंड यू विल सी द पिक्चर एंड कंप्लीट इट हियर. दिस पिक्चर इज लिप. ल ई प. प ल ई प लिप. दिस पिक्चर इज bin where we throw the garbage. This is the lid of the bin. ये जो ऊपर का पोर्शन है, this is lid. So we will write here b. Okay, already we have done this picture on page number 29. अभी हमने puzzle में किया. So p in a pen. This is zip. You have zip in your sweater. You have zip in your pant. In your sometime trouser and jeans and jackets. Okay, zip. Zip. This is bib, which we use for the baby. Bib. This is kid. Kid is having this ice cream And in which season we take ice cream? In which season? In summer season, but it's cold now. These days are cold. These winter are arrived. Winter आ गया है ना? So we should not take ice cream. We should not eat ice cream. So this kid is having ice cream. Ka eat a kid. This is mid. A fighter plane. Made a bed. This is lid. See, मैंने कल भी बताया था. Yesterday I told you about it. This portion is called lid. Light lid. This picture is tin. In a tin. After completing this, you will complete this page also. Circle the correct word for each picture. This is the picture of pen. And we got this 3 option here. 3 option दिए हैं. Pen, tin and bin. This is pen. So we circle the pen. This is kid. We circle the kid. This is bib. Nib, bib, rib. This is bib. So we circle the bib. This is mig, big, dig. What this boy is doing? Digging the mud. मिट्टी को खोद रहा है ना? Digging. So this here option are given lip, zip, hip. This picture is lip. So we will circle the lip. This is lit. Hit, sit, lit. This is correct. Okay, this is tin. Win, tin, fin. We circle the tin. This is bed, hid, did. ये टेबल के नीचे बच्चे क्या है? छुप गया. हिड कर लिया उसने अपने आप को. हिड. Hid. You will complete all this. After that, again we will meet with another pages. अभी इतना कीजिए. This is sufficient for today. Because reading भी करना है. E sound reading, O sound reading, I sound reading. And these 3 pages, 29, 30 and 31. Okay, in next class we will do next pages.